Do you feel safe sending your kids to school? That's the question on the top of nearly every parent's mind tonight. I'm Josh Rowe.
And I'm Kim Chapman. Those lingering concerns after gunmen opened fire at a Florida high school, killing 17 people. But tonight, one school district in our area says they've made changes that will give parents peace of mind.
That's right. Since the shooting, schools across the Tennessee Valley have been seeing copycat threats. In the past week, officers charged 9 students for threatening social media posts. 3 of those arrests happened at schools here in Catoosa County. Catherine Marchand shows us how their new system could save a student's life with the touch of a screen, no matter the emergency.
To Tiger Creek. Could you please hold your photo ID about 2 inches away from the screen?
This is the first line of defense at Tiger Creek Elementary to make sure that people who shouldn't be inside aren't. And a new system will make sure that if they do get inside, law enforcement will know immediately. Kyle Johnson can't keep an eye on his 3rd grader at all times.
We worry to death about what could happen.
But there's one place he feels she'll be safe.
Tiger Creek, I send my daughter to, and I don't worry. I don't worry about her here at this school.
Tiger Creek Elementary is the first school in Catoosa County and all of Northwest Georgia to test out a high-tech security system called Sielox. It starts with a color-coded map of the school that teachers can change from their computer, cell phone, or iPad.
If it's an imminent danger, or if it's a medical emergency, or if it's just they're outside the building at the playground, we will know based on what the color is on the screen.
Sielox gives school officials like Principal Beard and the Catoosa County Sheriff's Office a real-time look at what's going on inside the school. Take a look at this screen. You can see that the cafeteria is pink right now, but if a child were choking and we needed to trigger a medical alert, it would turn blue, and the Sheriff's Office can see it on any electronic device. The system even tracks movement, so in an active shooter situation, officers could monitor people walking down the halls. Lead School Resource Officer Kenneth Hooten says Sielox shows the Catoosa County Sheriff's Office exactly where to respond, saving valuable time.
The quickest response is the best response.
And letting parents know their children will be protected.
What just happened in Florida, you know, granted it was a high school, but same things happen in elementary schools. And here I don't worry about it. My daughter is safe.
Catherine Marchand, News Channel 9.
The system has been already installed in every Catoosa County school. Administrators are hoping to have it up and running by the beginning of next year.